Item number 3. Item number 4. Item number 5. Item number 6. Item number 7. Item number 8.
Separate card bank and separate entity, separate board of management, separate bylaw. The card bank, they can approve the card bank. Next.
Item 8. Item 9. Item 10. Item 11. Item 12.
Allow.
Item 13. Item 14.
Would be inclined to ask our teacher, this is our decision. Very.
Item 15.
Dismissed.
Item 16.
Dismissed.
Item 17.
Dismissed.
Item 18.
Allowed.
Item 19.
All action of the bank is as per circular by RBI, hence no merit, dismissed.
20.
With respect to the aforesaid discussion, this court is inclined to allow the application of the petitioner. Allowed.
21.
Reward of merit, dismissed.
Item number 22.
22.
I didn't mention it.
No mentioning. Monday. Any mentioning? Mention it Monday.
Item 22.
My bill. And the petitioner being an accused face trial under section 138 of the NI Act.
Sorry,
Petitioner being the accused face trial under section 138 of the NI Act, my lord.
first time
My lord. My lord.
you have been convicted.
I have been convicted, my lord.
Any IA?
IA is there, my lord, for bail and suspension of stay, my lord.
Mhm.
Two IA have been filed.
Okay. আরে আইরার এটা কোন আসেন আচ্ছা ইন্ডেক্স এটি আছে 310
310 for bail and suspension and
310
another for stay operation of the relation commission amount, my lord.
list the matter on after vacation 28th next
Item 23.
My lord, petitioner is a victim of atrocities. She lodged an FIR under annexure 1, registered under section 341, 322, 323, 294, 354, 506, read with 31 SCST Act. Thereafter, he applied for compensation as per the rules. But till that, my
Okay,
lord,
should notice like the petitioner has filed the present petition challenging the action of the opposite parties in not disbursing the amount of compensation in favor of the petitioner, though she is entitled to the same under legislative enactment without any I mean, she has been denied without any reason. So which order you are challenging?
I'm not challenging, my lord.
What are you challenging?
The action, because my lord, FIR has been registered under section under annexure 1. Thereafter, I approached the collector. Collector submitted the
Okay, you should
report.
notice it. You should notice returnable on 25th June. Next,
24.
24.
The fact of the case is that
Where
the
is the
petitioner,
Index quotage. Oh, this is the index. Okay, take index. के बाद Yes,
the petitioner availed a loan of 7,40,000 from SBI branch, Kumna branch on 14/12/2006. And she has to repay the loan in 180 EMIs at the rate of 7,620 per month after the moratorium period of 18 months ago.
what is
But
the urgency?
yes,
What is the urgency? What do you want?
because even if she had paid around 18 lakhs, the bank
That is not seen, madam. How much you have paid is not important. What is the outstanding when the account turned NPA? When it become NPA?
No, that is the disposed of. That rate petition has already been disposed.
Forget the disposal, madam. And today, when was the NPA, I mean, the account slipped to NPA? NPA केवे हला?
NPL
केबेठु आपण देई नाहंती?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଗୁଡା ଯିବେ ନା ଆଉ
ଦେଇଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ EMI ଟା କିଛିଟା ସ୍କିପ କରି
madam,
ଯାଇଥିଲୁ।
ଏଇଟା ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ନୁହେଁ।
No, my
କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ପୁରା ଦେଇଛୁ କିଛିଟା ଏମିତିରେ ହବ
ନା, ନା,
ପୁରା
ନା।
କେବେଠୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟ କହିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆଉ କିଛିଟା କହିଦେଲେ ହବନି
No,
କେବେ
already
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି since which date we have not paid, that's why I want to know
no EMIs କିଛି some EMIs are
some
big
କହିଲେ ହବନି କେବେଠୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
already where ମାନେ ଆମେ ଦେଇ ଚାଲିଛୁ ଏବଂ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ହେଇଛି your lordship।
କେବେଠୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ତାର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ରେଗୁଲାର ଦେଲେ ତ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ against ଗଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ 180 EMIs ହଠାତ୍ ତାପରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେଇଟା ଅଛି 250
you take instruction that comes with the bank to take instruction ଏମତି ଭଲ କରି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ବୁଝିକିରି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଏମତି ଆଧା ଅଧୁରା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ନେବେନି
That
Bank
I
matter
will
ପୁରା
listen.
bank matter be specific पूरा प्रत्येक information ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ଜଣା ଦରକାର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
because bank ଏମତି ଚାଲେନି ଏଟା କଣ ଥୋଡି bank ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ବସିଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
take instruction list the matter on 6th May
your lordship 6th ମେ ଟିକେ ରହିବି
ହଁ?
ରହୁନି ଟିକେ
After vacation, I will do it.
you are not no hurry
no
bank matter vacation କାଇଁ ଯିବ 7th
no my lord ମୁଁ ଟିକେ
ଆପଣ
ରହୁନି
କେବେ ରହନ୍ତୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
after vacation ରହୁ
after vacation ଆପଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ତମ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ତାର ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ନେଇ
ନହେଲେ 14th କି
ମୁଁ
14th
କହୁଛି ପାଖରେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଦୂର ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ 25th ଲଗ ଆପଣ ମୋର କଣ ଅଛି ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ ମଝିରେ ମେନସନ କରିବେନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା 16th ନହେଲେ
ମୁଁ ତ କହୁଛି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଏତେ ସମୟ ଦିଏନି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଲି କାର ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ସିଜ୍ ହେଇଯିବ କଣ ହେଇଯିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କମ ଟାଇମ ଦିଏ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
16
16th ରଖିଦେବେ।
ଓକେ
16.
16 ଠିକ ଅଛି
16. Melody is correct, ma'am.
Okay,
And
next.
written
Yes,
in-
your
Item
lordship.
25.
25
Order of the permanent local adalat is under challenge, your lordship.
what is the order
Order is 5 lakhs some odd along with interest. Now,
ନେ permanent ଲୋକ ପାଇଁ ପଶିଲା ତା ଭିତରକୁ
permanent local adalat.
permanent
ପଶିବା କଥା ନୁହଁ ପଶିଛନ୍ତି anyway, my lord. Your lordship may look at few photographs.
नहीं कौन है दिला मतलब fact-
Sir, ଆମର ତାଙ୍କୁ ହେଲା ସେ substitute କରିଦେଲେ driver କୁ who was not having a valid driving license. Reason being, my lord, your lordship may look at page 36, 32.
Here,
Went above a bridge, fell down, turned true, and head down after some rolling. That is at page 32, 33. These are the
So
photographs.
you denied because of this.
My lord,
Denied because of this. You have denied because of this.
we have denied because you have substituted the driver. You have not come with the truth.
Okay.
That is why.
Okay, issue notice to the opposite party. Issue notice to the opposite party. Returnable on 19th June.
Reopening there.
Yes,
No, ठीक है.
next.
Item 20.
IA is filed, my lord.
And within 1 week. Next,
Item 26.
26.
My lord, the doctor of the petitioner working in some hospital as an attendant to serve the COVID patient. And in the meantime, she was also affected and she died. So
What
after his
was she
death,
doing?
my lord,
What was she doing, Doctor?
so the attendant to in the COVID hospital to serve the COVID patients.
She was serving as attendant,
Right,
hospital.
some hospital.
Hmm.
And she died because she came in contact with the COVID patients and she was affected. As a result of which she also died.
Hmm.
The death certificate, I have also annexed the death certificate.
Okay, issue notice.
Your Lordship, in this entire brief, there is no finding that she has been died due to COVID.
आपका PM report अच्छी? Or any death?
Only a certificate has been given by the medical superintendent. If your Lordship will see at
COVID
page
तो किसी को थी वो ना certificate कौन?
My lord.
Court देखें.
Annexure 5, your Lordship may see, page 17. But there is no, absolutely no mention regarding that she has succumbed due to COVID-19.
The letter was given by the superintendent of medical to the HR SOA. And it has specifically stated, so I have to bring to your kindly notice that the following staffs of IMS and some hospital have expired while doing their hospital duty in COVID period. So Mr. One, Mr. Subrat Bhuya.
During COVID period they have
COVID
died.
period, but not due to COVID.
that-
my lord.
that-
That is required for compensation.
No, it's not necessarily that COVID period, all deaths are not due to COVID. Some deaths may be due to non-COVID also. Suppose, for example, somebody has a heart problem, he is affected by,
Oh,
he
that
died.
is there, but
In COVID, is not necessary that all death will be COVID related death.
my lord, annexure and the writ also was filed before the honorable court.
Sir,
37.
Show me one document where it is stated that he has died of COVID. That is only one thing you have to show me. ଆଉ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଗୋଟେ document ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ COVID ରେ ସେ death ହେଇଛି।
The cause of death certificate doesn't reveal the cause of death.
Sir, ସେଇଟା ତ main ଜିନିଷ ନା sir, cause of death certificate death ଜଣେଇବନି।
My lord,
But anywhere, any doctor has certified something must
that
be
is-
there.
that is known now attached in the record.
You just attach it.
But one thing I want to,
Sir, ଜଣେ COVID period ରେ ବହୁତ death ହେଇଛି।
I do understand.
ସବୁ death କଣ COVID?
Right.
କିଛି death non-COVID ବି
My
ହେଇଥିବ।
lord, because you are attending in the.
Sir, attending doesn't mean this. ବହୁତ ଲୋକ attend କରିବି they are ସୁସ୍ଥ ଅଛନ୍ତି। ଏମିତି not that ଯିଏ attend କରିଲା ସେ ମରିଯିବ। ଏମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ। Delhi Max Hospital ରେ 4 or 5 of my friends, every day during peak COVID period they used to work there as a doctor. They didn't have any problem. They didn't die. That doesn't mean that COVID and some of the doctors also died. Not necessarily all doctors. And one doctor I know who died, he didn't die of COVID, died of heart attack.
Maybe some other reason.
Other reason. So how can you say that all death are COVID related?
I have 4 of my petition.
Sir, ଆପଣ para 4 read petition କଣ ଲେଖିଲେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ important ନୁହେଁ। ଆପଣ ତ କିଛି ବି ଲେଖିଦେବେ। ମତେ document ଦରକାର।
My lord,
ଗୋଟେ document ଏମିତି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେବ COVID ରେ death ହେଇଛି। ବାସ୍ ସେତିକି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ।
Another date may can you fix or so that I
Okay,
can.
let's list the matter on 8th May. Next,
27,
27. The petitioner to show the document reflecting the death of the petitioner was due to COVID. Huh? Next,
item 27,
27. Non-appears. Issue notice to the opposite party. Returnable on 19th, 20th June. Next,
28,
28.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in this writ petition, we are challenging the order dated 33/24 of the opposite parties, wherein they have denied to return the original documents.
Issue notice which bank? Which bank? Union Bank.
Yes, my lord.
Union Bank. You take it, issue notice to the opposite party. Like the learned counsel for the petitioner submit that the bank, despite best effort, despite despite the petitioner approached the bank several times, the original documents of the petitioner has not yet been returned to the petitioner. Hence, the petitioner is constrained to approach this court. Issue notice to the opposite party. Bank, Mr. Tuna Sahu, who is present in the court, has been requested by the court to take instruction in the matter, to take instruction in the matter, returnable on 15th May. Next,
29,
29. 29. 29. Non appears for the petitioner. The petitioner challenges the rejection order dated 4/3/2024 regarding the claim of the petitioner for payment of compensation amount for damage of the boundary wall of the petitioner by an elephant. And further, seeks direction from this court to the collector, district magistrate Khordha, or Khordha, seeking payment of compensation amount to the petitioner as one male elephant damaged the boundary wall of the petitioner on 21/1/2024 under the Anukampa scheme as prescribed by the government of Odisha. Hence, the petitioner seeks the indulgence of this court, seeking a direction to the opposite party for such assistance under the Anukampa scheme. Issue notice to the opposite party, state, land council of the state, to take instruction in the matter. Copy, Medini? Take instruction in the matter. Is the matter on 20th May.
Let it come after vacation. Let it come after vacation.
Okay, after 24th.
Much obliged.
May I be excused?
Which matter?
I'm Rasik, 27.
27.
My
is notice.
What is notice? I should notice.
stay career growth.
Maybe okay.
My
Okay,
Item 30,
30.
obliged.
Item 30, short passed over, Mr.
May got there.
33,
BLPL. Non-appears for the petitioner. What is the matter about? Okay. Non-appears for the petitioner, list the matter. 8th May.
34,
CDSC. CDSC. Next,
34,
34.
TBIC Gonja,
What is this matter?
20 B.
And distributed bill,
Yes.
20 bill. Wow.
No,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
not.
Kete kilo?
100 kg.
100 kilo. And distributed bill ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ସେ 21 ରୁ ଆଉ instruction କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେ ଲୋକ ଧରା
ସେ
ହେଇଯିବ
ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ନା ବାହାରେ ଅଛି?
କଣ ଆଉ
ସେଟା
instruction
ବି ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ.
instruction ନାହିଁ
Okay. Dismiss kar do, dismiss kar do.
no instruction
The land council petition submitted that despite best effort, he has not been able to obtain any instruction from the client. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter against this petition. I will dismiss for, not, dismiss, huh? For non-prosecution.
35,
Next.
Pardon your lordship, pardon your
30.
lordship, item 29, my lord, pass over, my lord. Item
Pass over
29.
hodi. Aji pass over nahi.
Your lordship has
My lord,
already
my
issued
lord,
notice
next.
in that case.
I have issued notice.
Oblige, my lord.
I have
Oblige,
issued
oblige.
notice. Next.
Oblige, my lord. Oblige.
item 35,
35. Yes, ABLPL 35. Non appears for the petitioner. Revision there. Non appears. List the matter on 7, 8. Next.
36,
36.
May I please, your lordship. This is the second journey of the petition.
Are side कौन matter को how second third
Matter,
round
my lord, offense under section 20B2C of NDPS Act.
quantity
1127, 1127 kg.
केबेटो अचंदी भितरे
My lord, since 9/2/2020, my lord.
9 to 2020 ଆଉ को 21 के व्यवहार चती
No, my lord.
आपण कोठी गार लोक जाना बार
UP, my lord.
एपी थांत भितरे सॉरी डिसमिस कोठी किलो गला आसना डिसमिस
Any stringent condition.
एते बड़ क्वांटिटी और स्ट्रिंजेंट कंडीशन यूपी लोक दोनी आई एम वेरी पेरिफियर गले आसु नांदी भाई
Again.
हाँ ओडिशा लोग कम से कम खोजी खोजी ओडिशा पुलिस यूपी वाला क्या हाथ गोड़ पाइबनी आ तम सरकार तो सेठी कोऑपरेट भी करंतिनी नेक्स्ट
37,
37 37 non appears list the matter on 8th 38
38,
non appears list the matter on 8 39
39,
39 कौन मैटर की आसुनांती कौन आज तो छुट्टी नो है आज फिर कहीं को आसुनांती कौन
Maybe they have not seen that 1 to 22 was for judgment. So
they know very well that this court goes faster than any other court. They should know
is
that.
the problem. Yes.
So, what is the matter?
That's 39.
Hmm?
That's 39. This NDPS matter.
कहते quantity कहते
This is 600 grams. This
600
person-
gram.
Yes.
चरस
No, 600 kg. 600 kg of ganja. Sorry.
600 kg केवड़े अच्छी
As this person, my lords, by order dated
Okay,
31/7/2023, there was an interim bail
एटा को मैं ग्रांट कर दी था
for a month.
ना आंधी के थर
Okay, nah.
okay let it
He's a person from Haryana.
8 हरियाणा
Haryana.
और पिटिशनर का आसु देखिए
हाँ.
8 next
item 40,
40
sir, এটা court commissioner time magazine extension, এটা engineer commission.
time is granted next
Item 41,
कितने टाइम लगे कितने टाइम
sir, 10 days time magazine.
15 days 2 weeks time granted 6 time granted next
Item 41,
41
41 also, there must be a report from the concerned judge, you know, on
for
letter
extension of
number,
time.
letter dated 24/2024 for extension of
August
period to
24 from the time
conclude the
magazine से trial conclude करिए.
granted granted next
Item 42,
42 42 red petition Penalty non appears non appears for the party list 7th May next
43,
43 43 42, ठीक. 42. What is the matter, sir?
42.
हाँ, कौन
But this is a matter where the bank has challenged.
opposite party आइले किए?
ना कि
1 and 3.
फिर करना है.
आपने कौन? 1 and 3.
But here what has happened? The order at page
PLA.
again. The Noni had
कौन है जी PLA को कौन कमेगा वाला?
crop insurance.
Crop insurance कौन है ला?
When the loan was taken and other things were there, he gave his Tahsil address as Kuchinda. Subsequently, it has come in before the court that it has come down to Jamankira.
Okay, the last the petitioner submit that the petitioner, the opposite party number 1 is a permanent resident of village Band Pali, which was under jurisdiction of Kuchinda Tehsil. After bifurcation of Kuchinda Tehsil, the village of the petitioner came under Jamankira Tehsil. The petitioner availed the agricultural loan of rupees 1 lakh in the year 2009, when the said loan was covered under the crop insurance for the year 2009. The state government in the year 2009 declared Jamankira block to have been affected by 33% of drought, and the farmers of Jamankira Tehsil were awarded crop insurance compensation. The opposite party number 1 was deprived of the said benefit, hence he approached to the who court ko gala che? He approached to the Tahsildar for the said compensation. However,
Permanent log adalat.
tapare jaithibo na?
Again.
The petitioner entered appearance and filed the tapare kodi gala?
No, permanent log adalat re file kara.
Tahsil pakuru gala pura?
No, Tahsil pe jaina.
अच्छा तब गला पढ़ काई लेखा उन सिस्टमैटिक लेखो ना तो बोल
Your lordship kindly turn to page annexure 3 page 14 of the
एनेक्सर जान आपण लेखा भाष देखो ना सिस्टमैटिक से जाउनी फ्लोडा कोडे कोडे का पर आगो पछो कर लिखि देन
नहीं.
yes not systematic.
The OP number 1 filed PLA before.
Then the petitioner approach being agreed by the non-consideration by the Tahsildar for the compensation scheme. The petitioner approached the PLA with a PLA case number 2012 before the permanent Lok Adalat Sambalpur, claiming crop insurance for the year 2009. The case of the opposite party number 1 was that he is and the permanent Lok Adalat, after having tried for conciliation, adjudicated the matter, and by order dated 29/12/2012 disposed of the case, directing the petitioner number 1 to provide crop insurance of rupees 33,000 to the opposite party number 1 within 2 months. That the order passed by the permanent Lok Adalat has been challenged by the present petitioner, stating that the permanent Lok Adalat has no jurisdiction to adjudicate the dispute and pass award against the banker as much as the opposite party number 1 had never implicated the insurance company as a party. He further submits that section 22A, capital A bracketed B of the Legal Service Authority Act 1987 defines public utility service. The same includes insurance service and not banking service. While granting loan, the bank is to deduct the premium from time to time, and the same is to be paid to the insurance company. The opposite party number 1 had also authorized the bank to that effect. Thus, the dispute in the absence of insurance company could not have been adjudicated. The opposite party number 1 availed the loan of 4/8/2008, and the documents so executed reveals that the opposite party number 1 comes under the Kuchinda Tehsil and not Jamankira Tehsil till 2012, and the opposite party number 1 never intimated that his village has gone under the Jamankira Tehsil bide so. Hala. The insurance company is covering the crop insurance, and the bank under the authorization pay the premium from the account of the opposite party number 1. Hala. The forum below, in the absence of insurance company, could not have passed order directing the bank to provide the crop insurance. The crop insurance company, the insurance company is to look into the matter and decide whether the opposite partner 1 is entitled to any benefit or not. Since it is since the petitioner is a poor farmer who was supposed to be covered under the crop insurance scheme, has not been given, has been excluded from the beneficiary list. Hence, he approached to the permanent Lok Adalat. This court doesn't find, the permanent Lok Adalat should have also issued notice. आपको issued notice issue करा है नहीं? Insurance को आपने insurance company
अबे
bank bank करने नहीं party.
बैंक को पार्टी कर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को कर
Okay. The permanent local adalats should have passed order after including both bank and the insurance company as party. After hearing the bank and insurance company party, in the present case, the bank has not been heard. Hence, the bank is aggrieved by the order passed by the PLA. In view of the above, this court directs the Lok Adalat, the permanent Lok Adalat, Sambalpur, to hear the bank, hear the present petitioner as a party, respondent, and pass appropriate order as in accordance with law.
and the insurance company.
And the insurance company. Hello. And the same shall be disposed of within a period of 3 months from the date of presentation of the order. Hello. The registry is directed to send a copy of the order to the insurance, the permanent Lok Adalat Sambalpur. Hello.
43.
Next. 43.
And here the, for alleged unauthorized absence, the petitioner was.
43. Yes.
For alleged unauthorized absence, the petitioner was imposed with the punishment of removal from service in a departmental proceeding, which concluded ex parte, my lord. The petitioner before a lordship was petitioner before lordship was a CRPA constable initially appointed in Kashmir.
He is now posted in Kashmir. Okay, what happened?
But I am challenging the order of punishment.
What is the punishment?
Removed from service.
What is the charges against him?
There are 2 charges.
Yes.
That is very important, my lord.
He
That is
unauthorizedly
annexed 2.
absent from the
I am
25 days,
I'm filing.
32 days, 42 days. Why is unauthorizedly absent for such long time?
On the plea of.
Sir, on the plea kala the disciplinary force काम करिबा एंती मन इच्छा absent रहले केन देबो?
That is true.
Then
But I am.
validly they have removed.
I am challenging the unauthorized that charge on 2 grounds, mainly the proceeding on 2 grounds.
What are the charges against you?
There are 2 charges.
Only unauthorized absence and
Unauthorized,
second,
there are 2 charges.
and second,
Second also unauthorized absence.
then you should have they have rightly.
But my lord, I am.
ମୁଁ ଦୁଇଟା dismiss କରିଛି ସେମିତି କେସ୍ ଆଜି order ରେ ଏମିତି unauthorized absence ପାଇଁ dismiss
Yes,
ଦୁଇଟା
madam.
କରିଛି.
I am challenging.
I am not going to reassess the order passed by the
Yes, madam. I
disciplinary
am
authority.
not on that point.
The read jurisdiction is very limited.
Yes,
That
madam.
today 2 or 3 I think on the same issue.
Madam, I am conscious of that. Madam. I am challenging the proceeding mainly on the ground. The charge is defective on the plea. That charge number 2. That charge number 2 relates is the subject matter of challenge in a previous proceeding where he was punished. So that charge should not have been included in the memo of charge.
Okay, issue notice to the opposite party.
It is the final disposal.
Final disposal matter. Then let's see.
I
Here
have also filed a note of argument.
both of you give a note, then let's fix it for some other day. List the matter on 13th May. 13th May.
I have filed my note, ma'am.
Okay.
44.
Both of you give the note.
Yes, my lord, I will also support.
मैडम मझे आसिक डिस्टर्ब करिविनी पूरा एंड बेड को मेंशन करा जाए दिस इज नॉट द वे जेतेबेले छिडा हेले सेतेबेले मेंशन कर दे एटा की कथाटा एटा कि ना एति की जो मेंशन कराला इन द बिगिनिंग करा जाए नाले एंड करा जाए मझे के ओडा आर्ग्यू करथबे मझे पसिकर करा दिस इज टोटली बदतमीजी बोला जाता है इसको टोटल बदतमीजी डोंट डू दिस नेक्स्ट
Item 44.
44
Petitioner Advocate Mr. Sudarshan Mahanti dead mallet on 13/4. Today is considering.
so when do I
Matter may be taken up 1 week after.
1 week okay
So that another.
15 16 16
Ma'am?
16
Mallet.
okay next
45.
45 pass over one sir आज pass over नहीं this court will sit for a very short time Monday havani can we fix it on 29th 29th Monday sorry Tuesday कर दो 30th 30th
Interim.
interim to continue next
46.
46 46 Nandiki? 46? Non-present. List the matter on 14, 15 did you? 47?
47
Next week. Next week.
ଆଜି ଭଲ ଦିନ ନାହିଁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା?
ଆଜି ଭଲ ଦିନ ନାହିଁ?
ନାଇଁ ଭଲ ଦିନ ଅଛି ଫାଇଲ ଟା ଆଣିନି ଘରୁ ଆସିଲି ଗାଁରୁ ତ
ଫାଇଲାଣି ନା?
ଫାଇଲଟା
ହଉ 9th May କରି। Next
48
48.
In this case, we have filed amendment petition to include collector and sub-collector of the Puri. to be
Okay,
added
not cast with the petitioner. 6 to amend the writ petition accordingly the amendment file करते amendment application 40 amendment application file करते आई देखते
File କରିଛି ତାକୁ।
sir କାଇଁ କୋଉଠି ସେଟା ଅଛି ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ କୋଉଠି ଦେଖେଇବେନି ଆପଣ
आइए 4695
हाँ
4695
4695 okay I number 4695 is allowed in
Effect of Friday.
huh
Effect of Friday, sorry.
no effect of Friday no, you see, I have to go for Bhopal that's why I have to catch the flight that's
I was not taking time.
actually whatever the Bhopal in the evening next
item 49
49
My lord, I am giving your lordship written
yes
note. Yeah,
this is for written note submission
my lord, last date your lordship argument has been closed. Compensation matter, that is COVID-19 warrior your lordship.
and you have any written note
Very good.
Huh?
He is preparing the report.
okay ମୁଁ କେବେ ଦେବି
Monday.
Tuesday କରିଦେ Tuesday ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲଗେଇଦେ ଆର ପାର୍ଟି ପାଇଁ ଖାଲି just for note purpose next
item 50
ତାଙ୍ଗଡ଼ା ରଖିଦିଅ ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
next 50
Item 50, your lordships, I pray for an adjournment, your lordships. I am not well prepared in the case today, your lordships.
who is not well prepared you
Yes, your lordships.
you will come and argue
Yes, your lordships.
okay physically come and argue
Physically, I'll come and argue.
because this is final hearing matter from that side it will sometimes become difficult because of the bandwidth
There will be some
bandwidth
yes,
issue yes
yes.
ठीक है yes now you say
Item 40.
40 40 এটা কেবে তেমনটা 50
your lordship fixed to
date করুন
item 40 your lordship
7 कर दे
lordship may kindly see the noting my lords your lordship had appointed a court commissioner my lords
हाँ हाँ हाँ
that report is yet to come they have sought for time through a letter your lordship
ତାଙ୍କ ଟାଇମ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ହେଲା
time date 15 दिन
what is your name
On behalf of Espinch.
S Raut okay how can you write on behalf of SP Misra it is SP Samya Misra senior advocate his name is not written like that okay so Samya Misra your name is not there okay should I come here today
date देना भी
छुट्टी पर
15
आस
days time दिए
छुट्टी पर आस 10 days time छुट्टी पर आस 20th कर दे
my lords
I have sent an independent way because there is a lawyer commissioner went there. Those he is engineer as he was saying, but there are some issue that has not been addressed properly. That's why a retired engineer has been. I found out on my inquiry, who is said to be impartial man, and I have engaged him. Let's see. That's all. Thank you.